Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to create a super quick purple makeup look. So for that let's begin with the video. So first I am going to apply Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner. Next I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Perfect Match pen stick. And now with the help of a damp beauty blender, I am going to blend it very well. After blending, next I am going to use this Wet n Wild concealer to conceal my under eyes and also to highlight my forehead and nose bridge. Next I am applying this on my eyelids as a eyeshadow base. Now with the help of same beauty blender I am going to blend it. Next, I am going to use this Maybelline Compact to set my foundation as well as my concealer. Now with the black shade I am going to draw my brows with an angular brush. Now I am going to take this purplish shade and apply it on my eyelids. Now with this wine shade, I am going to blend it well with the eyeshadow placed before. Next, using this Lakme Instant Liner, I am going to draw a thin liner. Next, with this eyelash curler, I'm going to curl my lashes. And apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to use this 3D blush and contour palette and apply blush on my cheeks in upward direction. Now with this Wet n Wild highlighting palette, I am going to highlight my cheeks, my nose bridge and my forehead. With the help of fingertip, I am going to apply highlighter on my brow bone. So I am going to use this NY Bae lipstick in shade Amaze Aerial. So with this, my look is completed, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.